are a delicious and tasty grilled chicken and pesto panini. Ingredients. For the pesto: 2 cups fresh basil leaves, packed. Half a cup grated Parmesan cheese. Half a cup pine nuts. 3 garlic cloves, minced. Half a cup extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. For the panini: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. For slices of ciabatta bread or your favorite sandwich bread: half a cup fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced. Half a cup sun-dried tomatoes, sliced. A 1/4 cup roasted red peppers, sliced. A 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves. 2 tablespoons butter, softened. Instructions. 1. Make the pesto. In a food processor, combine the basil, Parmesan cheese, pine nuts, and minced garlic. Pulse until the ingredients are finely chopped. With the food processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until the pesto is well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Set aside. 2. Prepare the chicken. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. In a skillet over medium-high heat, add olive oil. Cook the chicken breasts for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until they're cooked through and have a golden brown crust. Remove the chicken from the skillet and let it rest for a few minutes. Then, slice it into thin strips. 3. Assemble the panini. Preheat a panini press or a grill pan. Slice the ciabatta bread into 4 pieces and cut them in half horizontally. Spread a generous amount of pesto on the inside of each slice of bread. On the bottom half of each sandwich, layer the sliced chicken, mozzarella cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, and fresh basil leaves. Top with the other half of the bread to make a sandwich. 4. Grill the panini. Brush the outer sides of the sandwiches with softened butter. Place the sandwiches on the preheated panini press or grill pan. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the bread is toasted and the cheese is melted. 5. Serve. Remove the panini from the press or grill pan. Slice the sandwiches in half diagonally. Serve your grilled chicken and pesto panini while they're hot and enjoy. This panini is packed with flavor from the fresh pesto, tender grilled chicken, and a combination of delicious fillings. It's a perfect choice for a quick and satisfying meal.